So, you're ready to dive into the world of Linux and explore the wonderful Debian-based distributions like Ubuntu, Pop, _OS, Linux Mint, Zorin OS, and of course Debian itself. Let's get you started on installing these user-friendly operating systems that are loved by many for their stability, security, and ease of use. First things first, you'll need to download the ISO file of the distribution you want to install. Head over to the official website of the distribution, whether it's Ubuntu, Pop, _OS, Linux Mint, Zorin OS, or Debian, and look for the download section. Make sure to select the correct version. Usually you'll want the 64-bit version, but there may be special versions for older hardware. Next, you'll need to create a bootable USB drive. For this, you can use tools like Rufus, Etcher, or the built-in startup disk creator on Ubuntu. Simply plug in your USB drive, open the tool, select the ISO file you downloaded, and let the tool do its magic. This will make the USB drive bootable, so you can install your chosen distribution. Now, it's time to install your Debian-based Linux distribution. Insert your bootable USB drive into the computer where you want to install the OS and boot from the USB. This usually involves changing the boot order in the BIOS settings. You may need to press a specific key like F2 or Del during startup to access the BIOS settings. Once you've booted from the USB, you'll see the installation screen of your chosen distribution. Follow the on-screen instructions. Usually, you'll be asked to select your language, keyboard layout, time zone, and create a user account. You'll also reach a point where you'll be asked about the installation type. For beginners, the easiest option is usually to select the Erase Disk and Install option. This will wipe out everything on the hard drive and install the distribution as the sole operating system. If you're more experienced or want a dual boot with another OS, you can choose this option. After selecting the installation type, the installation process will begin. Sit back, relax, and let the installer do its thing. Once it's finished, you'll be prompted to restart your computer. Remove the USB drive and restart the system. Voila! You've successfully installed a Debian-based Linux distribution on your computer. Now you can explore the vast world of open-source software, customize your system to your heart's content, and enjoy the security and stability that Linux is known for. Remember, each of these Debian-based distributions has its own unique features and design, so feel free to experiment with different ones to find the one that best suits your needs and preferences. Happy exploring!